One of the features of all our machinery is that it can be customized based on the specific needs of each individual customer.
Today I want to present some of the customized versions and extra options that can be equipped on the Antares.
One of these is the automatic tool changer. This option is particularly useful when there is a need to drill tooling holes with different diameters on the same panel. Without this option, it would be necessary to process the panel in 2 cycles, one to drill with the first diameter, the second cycle for the second diameter. In other words, the automatic tool changer, in this case, optimizes the cycle times and significantly increases the machine throughput. Another extra feature is the one called marker or serialization device, thanks to which you can imprint data and information directly on the panel to make traceability even simpler. If you have enough space in your company, you can also opt for the version with automatic loading and unloading that takes care of the work that would normally occupy an operator. In this way, the operator has time to supervise multiple machines and processes simultaneously. An additional option available for Antares allows to detect accurately the thickness of the panels. Finally, with the deflashing option, Antares can finish the edges of the panels in a single pass after making the optimized pinning holes. An advanced process of defashing and corner chamfering provides greater panel handling.
Oltre a tutti gli optional appena elencati, grazie al supporto del reparto ricerca e sviluppo, siamo in grado di sviluppare la soluzione più adatta alle vostre esigenze.